Hey,
It's your girl Rochelle Gemini, aka Sweet Jimmy Jones.
what up, Rochelle?
You already know we had to do this foodie freestyle on some vegan shit. Yeah.
Let go. They told me, eat vegan, your veggies and greens. I'm talking, eat vegan, potatoes and beans. They told me, eat vegan and try to go clean. It's just another meatless Monday, if you know what I mean. Here Rochelle like, what we eating?
She was like, well, you know I'm vegan.
I was like, oh yeah, I'm peeping. As long as it got good seasoning, cause your boy tryna eat real good. Flexibility is the only reason. Her meat was bad for our body. On the cool out, her we don't need it. Since a kid been greedy in the lunchroom, now they saying going vegan is a clutch move. I love chicken, y'all replace that with mushrooms? I don't know, I gotta see what this stuff do. Eating healthy, but you really can't fail. No meat, but you really can't tell. You know it's good from the taste and the smell. So I went and got a plate from Rochelle.